My name is Alan Munaba. I'm the CEO of URA Football Club, and I'm glad to be here in Kigali, Rwanda. I'm very thankful to the Rayon Sports management for inviting us and giving us this opportunity. And to our dear beloved Rayon Sports fans, I guarantee you expect the best from URA F.C. because it will be a good encounter, and we hope to have the best development of both sides.
Well, I'm called Coach Sam Timbe. I was with the URA F.C. of Rwanda for East and Central. We took in Sudan, came back as champions of East Africa with His Excellency Paul Kagame's Cup for the competition. We were the champion that year. I'm happy to come back to Rwanda, at least with the Ugandan team. We are trying to build this team. You know, last year we were third on the table. We missed the cup by some points. Now we are building a new team, which we have brought to Rwanda. Our national players who are playing the Cranes are not with the team because they are engaged. So we have come with the good players who will entertain the crowd. The fans should expect some good entertainment from our team.
This international friendly will help us in giving my players international exposure, to give them a feel of the outside world, and to also know that football is an international sport. It will also help us compete domestically in the league when we get back, because after meeting several foreign players, our players will have that mental toughness to be able to tackle opponents in the local league.
Well, to help us to build, as I told you, we are building a new team, and being without the national players, we can see how they can perform without the national players.